Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you a what's in my diaper bag video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so today's video is a what's in my diaper bag video, and this is the bag. It is the Emmy by Mina Baie. I have it packed pretty full. This is the full size, by the way. It's in Terra, in their vegan leather. And I will tell you before I get started that I'm packing for two kiddos. I have two toddlers. My son is 3.5, my daughter is 1.5. And so what I pack now for toddlers is very different from what I packed when my kids were babies. And I find that there's not really too many videos out on good old YouTube land of packing for toddlers. So I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys what I have packed for them. I just packed my bag up for this coming weekend, and that is usually when I have like a full hefty diaper bag because we go out, we pretty much spend a lot of the time out of the house doing different activities at the park, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so like I mentioned, this bag is packed pretty full. I carry a lot, honestly. I'm an overpacker. I always have been. But when I transitioned from needing like a big diaper bag backpack into wanting more of like a purse style, Mina Baie is what caught my eye, and the Emmy especially because it packs horizontally and it also has great organizational features inside. I also really wanted two bottle pockets on the outside of my bag for this new style because I do have two toddlers and I also always have a drink, so I always need multiple cup holders and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys around the outside of the bag first, and then we'll get into what's inside. So the first thing I have here is this Baie Strap, also by Mina Baie. This is sold separately. It's the Terra Baie Strap. Was that right? Terra? Yes, I think it's Terra. That's the name of the bag, but this is actually their real leather on this strap. So I think it's actually a little bit of a different color. Tan. There you go. I think it's called tan. But as you can see, it's a great match for the Terra vegan leather. So the Emmy, again, is in vegan leather in Terra. And then moving on, I have this paci pod by Itzy Ritzy here on the side. In this paci pod, I just keep a reusable mask, so like a cloth mask. I started doing this back when we started leaving the house post-COVID, and I have just kind of maintained the habit. And this helps me make sure that I always have a mask on hand, regardless of where I'm going, what I'm doing, etc., etc. So the other thing on the outside of the bag are just a couple little charms. This is an Itzy Ritzy heart. It is in the gold color. And then I also have this little bow that is, I forget what shop this is from. I can double check and I will leave it linked below if I can. All right, so moving around the outside, the Emmy does have two top handles here that I will just kind of like throw over, you know, the crook of my arm when needed. And then it also comes with backpack straps, and it comes with a third one of these straps that you can use as a longer shoulder strap in place of the Baie strap, which again is sold separately. So the backpack straps do come with it, and I carry this as a backpack often, especially when I'm getting like in and out of the car, or you know, getting the kids situated in the stroller or something like that. Or if I'm just running in, say we're going to church, I will either carry Ella and just have Elias walk, or they'll both walk, and I'll just put this on my back. So moving to the pockets, on this side I just have a water bottle for one of my kiddos. So I always carry two water bottles like I mentioned. This is a 16-ounce thermo flask. These are super great. They keep everything nice and cold, but you saw that fit in the pocket no problem. So all kinds of different water bottles will fit there. I have another one on this side for second kiddo, so for one for Elias, one for Ella. And then those pockets are nice and deep and roomy. If I don't have anything in those pockets, I'll usually use one like for garbage. Once we're out, my kids usually hold their water bottles, so it's a great place to just stick your trash. And then the front pocket here is actually magnetic. Down here I have a pack of wet ones. I like to keep these easily accessible. And then I also have a pack of gum. Sometimes this goes inside of my bag, sometimes it goes on the outside. It just depends. And it has this great magnet here on the front to keep everything closed. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the inside of the bag now. Okay, so opening the bag here, it does have this great double zipper, so you can open it nice and wide, and that is probably the biggest selling feature, one of the biggest, for the Emmy. It opens super wide, so you can easily see what all you have packed up. Now I have packed using primarily the Itzy Ritzy Blush Floral packing cubes and accessories. So I will show all those to you. I also have a few other like miscellaneous pouches in here. You absolutely do not have to pack with pouches, especially with this style of bag. I like to pack with pouches because it makes transferring two different bags really, really easy. So this first pouch here, let me pull it out. This is my diapering pouch. All right, so in this pouch, I have a thin changing pad from Itzy Ritzy. I have 3 size 5 diapers. I have a little bag of doggy baggies for dirty diapers. I have one pull-up. This is a 4T, 5T. I just keep one in my diapering clutch just in case. Honestly, Elias has not worn pull-ups in quite a while now, but I like to just keep one on hand. I also have an extra change of undies for Elias, as well as a little potty seat cover in case we need that when we're out in public. And that all fits into that little pouch. The next thing I have in here is my wipes case, again in the Itzy Ritzy Blush Floral. And then I also keep my Mina Baie Mama pouch. Now this is part of a pouch set that is discontinued, but this pouch set is amazing. It comes with a little like handle, like a little strap. So you can carry this as just like a little clutch, and you can run in, do your errand if you don't need to bring in your whole diaper bag. So in here I keep all the stuff for me. I have sunglasses and Kleenex. I've got lotion and some antibiotic cream, and lots of lip products and my inhaler, as well as my card case back here. In this back zip pocket here, I actually don't have anything in there right now, but it's a great place to keep feminine products. And that is my little mama pouch. This easily transfers from bag to bag with me, and gotta love that. So the next thing here I have just down in the center of the bag is actually a wet bag. So this is by Itzy Ritzy. It's the Blush Floral wet bag. It's nice and thick. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites for sure. Alright, so then that clears out the center of the bag, and we are going to move on to the pockets. So I'm going to start with the back pocket here. Right back here I have a Bumpkins pouch that has my med kit in it. So this is all types of different things I would need for my kids if they are sick, have a boo-boo, need some sunscreen, etc., etc. So lots of different things in here. I also have a couple of hair ties in there as well. This is the small pouch by Itzy Ritzy. This is actually not in the Blush Floral, but you'll see I have a few of these size pouches in here. And in this one I just keep treats, bribery treats, lots of lollipops, lots of Starburst, and we always have those on hand, oops, for either tantrums or bribery, whatever we need it for. So, or just honestly just a treat. All right, and that's all that was in that first pocket there. Going next to that, I keep a little like restaurant / eating pocket or pouch here. This is again by Bumpkins. This is one of the pouches from that other set. So in here I have a couple disposable placemats. These actually stick on to the surface or the table, wherever you might be. And these are awesome. Keeps everything nice and sanitary for your little ones, but gives them their own little space to eat at. And then I just have a few utensils in here for my kiddos to use. Oops. And I also have a silicone straw, reusable straw in a little case. I usually keep one for each kid in here, but I only have one right now. Need to refill. Okay, right in that same pocket, I have, again, the Blush Floral cubes. This is one of the everything bags, I think it's called. And in here I just have fruit snacks. So again, kind of some bribery treats. I like to keep this in something that they can't actually see into, because if they just look in my bag and they see fruit snacks, that's what they're going to want. So I like to keep it kind of concealed so that they don't necessarily know that it's in there, but I know they're in there. And this bag, again, is really heavy duty. It's actually lined with like a nice wipeable material. So if you used it for, you know, like a regular snack, say like fruit or things like that, you know, veggies, any kind of that kind of stuff, a sandwich, whatever, you'd be able to wipe it out really easily. All right, there's also a key leash in this bag that is really handy. The back zipper pocket here, I have a disposable mask. I also have my stroller straps for my Emmy bag that I always keep with the bag just in case we are using our stroller or shopping cart or I need to just, you know, get the bag hung up really quick. Also have a few tampons back here and some medicine, both ibuprofen and a vitamin and a pen. So just kind of some mom stuff. Moving on to the side pocket to the right, I have a snack tower. I usually keep my kids Goby snack spinners, but right now I just have a snack tower, and this would give them a few snacks to have. On the opposite side pocket over here, I have a full fresh pack of these nose and face saline wipes. They both have had like runny noses literally forever, so I always try to keep these with me. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip the bag around to the front. All right, so looking at the front here, there is a nice slip pocket right here. I usually stick my phone here. And then there's a little zippered pocket. I will usually keep like lip products, or sometimes I'll keep feminine products in there. Or if there's something that I don't really want my kids to have access to, I will slip it in there. It's also a great spot for the card holder if you don't have like the mama pouch that I have. But looking at these slip pockets here, this one I just keep some change of clothes for both kids. So I have a dress here for Ella, a shirt and shorts for Elias. Those are 4T, 5T for Elias, and then a 2T for Ella. So pretty big size outfit, and both of them fit in that pocket with plenty of room to spare. And the next pouch is just my entertainment pouch for my kids. I have another one of those small pouches from Itzy Ritzy, and this just has some little figures for Ella to play with, and Elias honestly plays with them too. So that is in that one. And then I also have another Bumpkins pouch for Play-Doh for Elias. And in this pouch, I have, you can see 3 little tubs of Play-Doh, but I also have one of the disposable placemats again, because I like to kind of cover up the surface that he's going to be on. I also have a little knife in there, and kind of some little shape helper creator things. I actually want to get some little molds to go with this little travel set that we use. And I'm not going to pull this out like necessarily in public places pretty often, but say we'll go to my mom's or my in-laws and he needs something to entertain him, he will play with Play-Doh literally forever. So it's really a great tool to have, and to just have a couple little pieces put together ready to go for him. All right, so that is everything inside of my Emmy from Mina Baie. So there you have it, guys. That is everything I keep packed up, ready to go for my kids who are both toddlers. And this keeps us prepared, honestly. I feel like that is like the biggest thing of being a mom, is just feeling prepared for me. And then also keeps the kids entertained when we need entertainment, keeps them fed when we need snacks or water or whatever else we need, we have it. And this bag really does handle it all. And I love the horizontal packing style of it because it's so easy to see everything and grab it out when you need it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a single video from me. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye-bye.